Hello my people, welcome back to this beautiful tutorial once again about Faceless channel, how to create a faceless channel and make over $10,000 to $15,000 every month without having to show your face. If you're camera shy and you don't want to show your face and you want to create a video just like this.
Are you ready to elevate your trading game? Today, we're diving into the powerful order block trading strategy, a method that can help you dominate the market like a pro. So, what exactly?
So guys, you are actually in the right place. I'm going to walk you through on how to create a faceless channel from start to finish without any problem. This is an example of a faceless channel. You can see the owner does not need to show their face, and they are actually ranking. You can see some of the videos here is 168 views in 2 weeks. Some of them are 207 in 3 weeks. They are ranking without even having to show their face. If you play it now, you will see that none of this video, the person is not even showing their face from the thumbnail, from the video itself. You're not showing your face. So this is how to create a faceless channel. So I'm going to show you all the things you need right now in this to create a faceless channel. Just your free chat gpt, canva, Elevenlab. I'll list everything you need. All these tools you need is free of charge. So I'm going to list them on my bio. Okay, let me walk you through. If you don't have a YouTube channel, let me walk you through on how to create a YouTube channel. Although I'm going to make a video that will exclusively talk you through on how to make a YouTube channel, how to narrow down in your niches, and how to reach your 4,000 watch hours at least in 2 to 3 weeks, because I already have an active working strategy that is working for me. Okay guys, without saying much, let me quickly dive into this video real quick. So the beautiful thing about this thing is that you can do everything on your phone. So first off, when you create a YouTube channel with your email, with any of your email, once you do that, the next thing you'll see a portal just like this one. Just ignore the 7 subscribers. I'm using this for a tutorial base. And then the next thing you have to do is just you click on this edit icon. When you click on that edit icon, to bring it to this place where you choose a name for yourself. So if you don't know, if you're confused on the name to use, so you can, that is where chatgpt comes in. So let's head over to chatgpt and search or get a name suggestion for ourselves. So this is chatgpt on my phone. So you can use your phone to automate everything. So this is I think this is a free version of ChatGPT. You're not paying. You know how pricey AI can be. So let's ask suggest. Okay, let's say maybe I'm into philosophy. I want to create a faceless channel about philosophy, or whichever one. Is it tech? Faceless channel about tech, about whatever you have in mind. So in this case, I'm going to use philosophy. So suggest a YouTube name for my new channel. The channel you can talk to as if you're talking to a human being. The channel is about philosophy. Okay, after that you click on send button. So the AI will give you list of names. Sorry, give me a minute. So initially my data was not on. So my data now is on. So once I type what I need to type, I just click on this button here, and ChatGPT will suggest. This is phone version. I'm trying to use my phone so you can know that all this can work with phone without, you don't have to, if you use computer, of course everything will be seamless, but phone of course can also work. So there are options here. I'm seeing philosophy, lens, mindful, motions, the thought well, essential, echoes. Okay, let's use philosophy, deep thoughts, psychiatric, wisdom wave. Let's use wisdom wave. So just have to, I can just copy this, I copy it and head over back to the channel, and just edit this and put wisdom wave, save it. It's a faceless channel. So now handle, you can choose, you can edit that too, your handle. So you choose your handle wisely. They'll search for several handles for you if it's available. So you keep searching until you see the one that is available. You can just try using many things. So let me leave this for wealth blog because this is a tutorial. This is for tutorial purpose. So after everything, even your description, you can ask chat GPT to give you a description for your you can write there a short description for your YouTube channel and it will write for you. So after putting in your description and you want to look for a logo, you want to look for a banner, you get, so you can head over. So you want to look for a logo. So this is my studio on my Chrome. You can either use the app version or the Chrome version. So I'm using Chrome version for this tutorial. So you can, the size of this, you can see is specified about a specific size. I'm going to drop this size for you on the description of this video. So for you to be able to create a perfect size logo for YouTube, so I'll just head over to Canva to do that. So I'll go over to Canva to do this. So Canva is a great app, a great tools for graphics design. Whether you know graphics or not, Canva is a great place to use Canva. It's very simple, seamless. You don't even have to crack your brain. Just be creative. So you can see, for the sake of time, I've already created one, but you can automate everything. So let me say I want to change this background. I just tap it, click on replace. So this is the phone version of Canva. So I just let's say I search for any let me search for any image to use. Okay, let me search for any image to use. So you can use any image. So this is you can now change the name to suit your text. So I'm going to drop the size format so you don't have to waste your time. You just use this size and you'll get your exact background banner, then even your logo as well too. So once you do this, because if you don't do this very well, you have issues with fittings. It might not fit. So once you edit, put everything that you are satisfied with everything, you come over to this point and download it. You can click on download. So once you download it, you go over to your Chrome. If you don't use your Chrome, you still go over to your the studio app on your phone and click on this icon here. Click on this icon and to change it. So once you are done with that, And the next thing now is let's start creating our video, our faceless video. So we have to go back to ChatGPT for this. If you follow me step by step, you will understand the simplest way I did this. Everything I did here. If you go to and watch some other videos, they are very complex. But you know one thing about my channel, I'm a very simple person. I simplify everything. Even dummy will understand. So now I want to create a script. I don't know about anything. I don't know the script I want to create. So let's say I want to talk about philosophy. So let's just say, okay, ask chat gp. So chat gpt is a very is an AI, so you know AI knows everything. So I'll ask, so I'll say, okay, please write me a script, a philosophy script, a philosophy, remember your channel is all about philosophy, a philosophy script about, oh okay, with the topic the lonely bird. The can put the lonely bird, the lonely bird. Then once I'm done, I just click on that, and then as AI to start generating scripts for me. So once the script is done, I need to transfer or this script into a voice, which I will be using for my AI videos. So you see, ChatGPT will write you so many scripts. You don't even have to cram any of them. You can listen to them if you want to listen to them. So you can listen to them if you want to listen to them. This script wave, okay? So you don't even have to start reading them. You can copy the title, The Lonely Bird, reflect a reflection on solitude and freedom. So you can come over your voice over close reflective tone, okay, and with a final wide shot of the bird. Voiceover, pause, thoughtful. So we can copy all this. Now we have our script. Now we can copy all this. I'm teaching you how to use your phone for this purpose. Some people will say, okay, I don't have a laptop or computer. So I think I've read so many comments where people are asking, can it be done on phone? So I'm showing you how to do this on phone. Of course, I know computer will be very fast. So once I copy this, I just click on copy. The next I need to do now is I need to turn all these things, all this write up into voice, Remember, it's an AI. I want an image that will be talking for me. I don't want to show my face, so I will turn all this to voice. So I will head over. The app that will do this is called Elevenlab. So search on your Google on Elevenlab. So guys, this is how Elevenlab look like. So on phone, this is how it looks like. So you can go ahead and create an account and use their free version. They have a free version. So now I want to start work now. So I'm being asked for two I'm giving two options here: text to speech or speech to text. So I want to use the text to speech function. So I just have to paste everything I've copied from chat GPT. So when you're copying, you have to be very careful. Don't go and copy the unnecessary thing that you're not supposed to copy. So now, since I'm done with this, I just go ahead and click scroll down, I click on generate speech. So I'll wait for some time. So I can also choose whether to generate a female
Title: The Lonely Bird, a
voice.
reflection on solitude and freedom.
So you
Opening
can
shot:
see already
a
it's playing.
serene.
So I can decide to use either a female voice or a male voice. So it depends on who you are. So if you're a female or a male, you can choose. So okay, let's say I want to change this to a male voice. So I'll just click on that place and choose I think Eric is a man's voice. Okay, let me use Eric. Yeah.
Vast sky with a single title: The Lonely Bird.
So since I've chosen another person, so I have to generate again. So you can use a child voice, you can use anything.
Title: The Lonely Bird,
So
a reflection on solitude and freedom.
okay, now that I have gotten my my voice, I can go ahead and download this. Yes, can go ahead and download it. You heard me right? So now,
And understanding from others.
after this, the text to speech has been generated. So just look down here. You will see the download button. So click on the download button and download this. Let's download it for the sake of this video. So once you click on the download button, whether on your phone, you can see download very swiftly, whether on your phone or your computer. So now, after downloading this, now we have our text to speech. The next thing now, we need to start creating our video. So to start creating our video now, we have to head over to Canva. So now we are on Canva now. So once you get to Canva, you can search for YouTube video template. So when this shows up, you'll be seeing several options. So you can either use any of these templates or you just choose a new template or a new background for yourself. You create from scratch, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll use this background. So once the background open up, you can start editing your video. So all I just need to do now is for me to go over and start deleting all this. So that is why you have to create your own by yourself if you want. But to save time, I can just hold this. You can just hold this. I delete everything that is here because we don't need them. We don't need them. So to make this faster, you can as well come over here and delete all this. So you can just tap it and to bring out the delete button, you start deleting each of the pages. So just tap this down one. Once you tap it like this, it will bring you options. Options are below here. Just go click on more to show you the delete button. You've seen it, right? Click on the delete button and start deleting the pages you don't want. So let's delete this other one. More. We want to start everything afresh. So this is us now starting this video afresh with an empty canvas. So all we need to do now is to start adding our own images. So you can click on to add images. You can click on replace. You can just tap the background to show you replace. That's if you're using mobile phone, or you just scroll down, you'll see upload. You can use any of them. You can use upload or replace, so whichever one. So upload will allow you to align the image very well. Replace will just replace the image. So let me show you the difference. See, this is upload, where you just choose any random image and then align it by yourself. You can see you align it by yourself. So meanwhile, replace, this is the work of replace. Just tap this, the background image, and then just you come over here and replace. So it will not give you rooms to start putting the area you want. So let's use upload. Let's use upload so that we can fit the image the way we want it to look like. So once we are done with this image, the next thing now we need to do now is to go over, look for an image that will be talking. So you can either get this image right here on Canva, or you can get it on the software which I will show you, the DiDi software. It's called DiDi. So it depends. You can either get it here or you get it on the DiDi software. So let's use here. Let's use Canva. So you can click on element. This is the element down. You can click on element. So click on elements, you look for, you can ask for free, you can use whatever you search will come out. You can use free image, free male image, male, okay, let's say philosophy, philosopher, let's use philosopher, free male philosopher. Animation, animated image. Okay. If it doesn't give you what you want, if it doesn't give you what you want. So what I did here was I went to Google to just look for any philosopher name. So I just copied this philosopher name and pasted it on the search button. So create the philosopher, and it brought out this image. So you can search for any of them. Let's use maybe Pluto. Let's see if it will give us a perfect good image. Can search for graphics, can search for photo. So let me save your time. So guys, I couldn't I couldn't find whatever I was looking for on Canva because I'm using the phone version. So if I was using the computer, I would have used text to speech. That's text to image, because they have the AI function on their laptop or their web view. But I'm using my phone for this purpose, for those that will want to use their phone. So how I got this image was I went to Google to search for this guy and then download this image, and then all I just did was I came over to the upload section of, you can see the upload section of this Canva, and uploaded this from my gallery. So once you have this is the main, this guy here now is the main area of concern. This is the main area of this video. So I can go ahead, if I don't like this background image, the background image in the photo, this photo here, I can go ahead and change it. So I just click this, come to Magic Studio, same function in Canva, click on Magic background remove, BG removal, so it will remove the background. So you can get an image that is like this, because this is a real vocal point. This is what we are concerned about, because this is the person that's going to be talking. So you can go ahead and put border if you want to. You can put border, you tap it, scroll to effect, scroll to shadow, come to glow. From the glow, tap the edit button, choose, let's use white background for this, for a good contrast. So once you choose that, come over to blur and reduce it to 0, size at least 36, intensity to 100%. So it has given us that contrast that we need. So you can make the image to be full image like this. So you can go ahead and include the name of the man if you want. You can go ahead and include the name of the man if you want. So let's do that. Let's click on this, click on text, and then paste his name. So once we have pasted his name, you can see that the name is on black. So we come over to the color section and add color. So this is the man name. You can take it to any area that you want. You can also change the you can change the fonts. You can change the fonts to any fonts you want. So I don't want this video to be too long. So after we have done this, now the next part now is to start making this man talk our script. So to enter into the video properly, so we have to go over to DiDi. So before going over to DiDi, since we are satisfied with this image, so far so good, let's download this image. So click on the download button and then download it. So as long as you're using the free version, so whatever free tools you're using, you can download. If you're not using if you're not using a free tool, the Canva watermark could be on it, but we are using, this is a paid version, although my subscription is over, but it's a paid version. So I'm not using any also a pro tool here. So, and every tool I'm using here is free. So now that I'm done downloading, the next thing I need to go over to the DiDi. So to get this DD, you can call it DID. Just go to your Google and type DID, or I'm going to drop the link on my bio so that you can reach out. Every tools I'm using, I'm going to drop it on my DID. So remember, we created a photo on Canva. So we just come over here, and remember from the beginning of the video I told you can also use their own image, but we did not use their own image. We used our own customized image. So just come over to this place, click on create video. So create video. So from the create video, this is where they are giving you options for their own image. So we are not using their own because we already have our own. So come over here to this upload version and upload your image. So now once you click on this upload version, it will still bring you back to this page. So click on create. They are asking if you want to use their own avatar or not. So we want to create our own avatar by ourselves. Click on create. So click on okay. Sorry, hold on. So our video has uploaded. Okay, why we're having issues is because let me go over and explain to you. So now once we are done with uploading our own avatar, our own image, the next thing is script. You click on script, come over here, you will see script. So once we click on that script, now you have two options here. So you can either start typing your own scripts, but they have limits. So that means you can copy that AI's script from ChatGPT and paste it here, but they have limits. So that is why we went ahead and created audio. So no need of using their own text. So just go over to the audio section. So now the audio section that will now upload the audio that we downloaded from Elevenlab. So we'll upload the audio we download from the 11 app. So let's do it now. So our audio is uploading. So our audio has finished uploading. So you can play it to be sure that you uploaded the right audio.
Title: The Lonely Bird, a reflection on...
I think that's the right audio. So we can go ahead and click on generate video. So guys, after generating our video, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to play it slightly.
Title: The Lonely...
So you can actually see the image we added is talking. So, but this is not the end. This is not the end. We need to put some subtitle. So we're not going to do this subtitle on DiDi. So we're going to go to the last app, which is the I'll tell you.
and freedom.
So
Opening
the
shot.
last
A serene, vast sky with a
app we're going to
single
be
bird
using is
flying
the
alone,
VEED
distant from the
subtitle
flock.
generator. The VEED
Voiceover.
subtitle generator is
Soft,
still on my
contemplative
bio.
tone.
I'm going to link it. So after generating this, you go ahead
There's a
and
bird that
click
flies...
on the download button and download it to your device, whether your computer or your phone. So in my case, it's my phone. I'm using my phone to show that this is very possible to do on your phone. So if you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't have a computer or a laptop yet, it's not a problem. Even your phone that has access to the internet can get your YouTube monetized if you're consistent. All right. So let's go ahead and download it. So don't yeah, you might say, okay, there's a watermark here. Yeah, if you don't want the watermark to be there, just pay for the paid version. I think it's $5 or so, or even $1. You can check it, pay for it so that you won't get this watermark since you're using it for your YouTube channel. But if you don't mind, you can download this, take it back to Canva and clean off this. Yeah, you can do it. You can clean off this watermark before sending it to VEED. And even VEED also have a watermark. So I would advise you pay for the subscription so that you won't, or you can manage it, because since it's a new channel, you can still manage it. So once you come to VeedSubtitle.com, all you just need to do is to create your account with your email and then click on create project. So once you get over here, all you just need to do is to upload the video you downloaded from DiDi. So once the video is uploaded, remember the reason why we came here is to add a subtitle. So we can go over to the subtitle section. Let me mark it for you so you'll see it. Can go over to the subtitle section. So with your computer, it will be very bold. So click on the subtitle. So ensure that if you need to use this, you want to use your phone to edit all this thing I've done, make sure your phone is on desktop mode, desktop side, so that you can have the same features like your computer. So this subtitle, of course, our video is in English, so you can select any language you want. So our own here now is in English, so do the auto generator. We wait for it to generate. So our subtitle is done downloading. Our English is done downloading. So let's choose a format for, let's choose a design for the subtitle. So I don't know which would be nice. Let's choose something simple. Let's use this one, Phantom. Let's use that one. So now, after choosing this one, we just have to slide down. So once we slide down, the subtitle is added successfully. So we can come over down here and play the video and check if it's what we want. So we can play the video to check if it's what we want.
A serene, vast sky with a single bird flying alone, distant from the flock. Voiceover. Soft, contemplative tone.
So
There is a bird
you can decide to place the
that flies alone, aloft and distant from the others.
so you can decide to you can decide to you can tap on this, move it to any direction you want. You can move it to any direction you want. You can also choose another color. So considering your color scheme, so when you are doing anything editing, be very mindful and careful of color scheme. So always, there are some colors you put in here, it will really destabilize the beauty of everything. So I think this color scheme is okay. If you're not still satisfied, you can still go ahead and do more of the editing. So for my case, I'm satisfied. So once you are done with this, the whole thing, just click on done up here, and then the next thing you click on export the video. If you want to remove the watermark, you can go ahead and remove the watermark. You pay for the paid version to remove the watermark. So once you download this video, it will be on your device, and then you can now move it to you can now upload it on your YouTube channel. So it's either you put this animation or you leave it as the way it was before. All right, guys, if you find value in this video, ensure to subscribe to my channel because we have more and more and more videos. This is the online university. Any topic at all you can suggest on the comment section that you feel any YouTuber is not explaining well. You can tell me the topic. I will do my research and I will teach you about that topic in a way you will understand. All right, guys, if you want to also learn how to grow your YouTube channel from in 2 weeks time, in 3 weeks time, ensure to watch the video I have made for only my members. Only my members. That video is for only my members. So I'm going to also do a free version of that video and upload soonest. So that if you want to really grow your YouTube channel in 2 weeks, is working. This strategy is working. You can do well to watch that video. It's just for only my members alone. So you can join my membership by paying for a certain subscription. All right, guys. I'll see you next video. Peace out.